Welcome to HelloSend. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to install the HelloSend integration in Zendesk, connect your communication channels, and get started with SMS campaigns. Start by opening the Zendesk Marketplace and searching for SMS, call and WhatsApp, or simply typing HelloSend in the search bar. Once you find the app, click on it, then click Install to begin the integration. Select the account where you want to install the app, then click Allow and Install to grant permissions. In Zendesk, enabling role restrictions limits HelloSend access to specific agent roles, while group restrictions allow only selected teams to use the app. To track messages in Zendesk tickets, complete a quick setup, go to Channel Apps, select HelloSend configuration, navigate to Accounts, and click Add Account. That's it. Your messages will now automatically sync with your Zendesk tickets. Next, go to Zendesk Support. Click the HelloSend logo in the left menu, connect to Zendesk, and click Allow to authorize HelloSend. After authorization, click Add Channel. HelloSend supports SMS, WhatsApp, and call channels. In this example, we'll set up SMS via Twilio. Enter your Twilio credentials, click Authorize, then choose the number you'd like to use and toggle it on. Your SMS channel is now ready. Finally, navigate to Views in the left sidebar, open a ticket, and launch the HelloSend app from the right panel. The installed HelloSend app will open, and you're ready to engage customers with SMS and WhatsApp directly inside Zendesk. All incoming and outgoing messages will appear in the Zendesk ticket timeline, giving you complete visibility and tracking. Click the HelloSend logo in the top bar to open the call panel. To place a call, enter a number or contact name in the To field and click the phone icon. During the call, you can create a new contact or lead and use the center section to add notes or descriptions about the conversation. Make and manage calls directly from HelloSend using the call panel for seamless communication and tracking. Thank you for using HelloSend.